Going to entry number 60. Sold goods rupees 20,000, allowed trade discount at the rate 10% and cash discount at the rate 10%. Received half amount by cash and balance half by check within specified time. So first of all, tell me what is the effective amount of sales. Here it is a sales entry with discounts plugged in. So tell me, do I need to record trade discounts in my book of accounts? Again, the answer is no. So what will be the effective amount of sales? It will be 20,000 minus 10%, that is 2,000. The effective amount will be 18,000. Small working to be done here. So the effective amount of sales is 18,000. I have to credit sales. Sales account is always credited. So first write to sales and credit it with 18,000. Now all the amounts you are debiting here should be equal to 18,000, which is credited here. Now what the question says further, and cash discount of 10%. I have to give cash discount, and cash discount is recorded in the books of accounts. It is to be given at the time of payment. Now what it says further, received half amount by cash, that is out of 18,000, the half amount is received in cash. Half amount of 18,000 is 9,000, and balance half by check within specified time. Means the payment has been made within specified time. So on this as well as this amount, both will have discount plugged in. So this is by check or say by bank. The payment should have been 9,000. But what about the cash discount of 10% here? Since both the payments by cash and by bank are coming on time, so I have to give discount on both payments. So less 10%, that is the discount amount will be 900. And what I need to pay will be 8,100 in cash and 8,100 through bank. So this is my payment, and discount will be 900 plus 900, that is 9 2s are 18, 1800. Okay. So the entry passed will be, I am receiving cash 9,000 minus 900 discount, that is 800. So first of all, cash when received has to be debited. Cash account debit. Cash is an asset. When it increases, it has to be debited. So debit the cash account debit rupees 8,100. Okay. I am also receiving something from bank. I had to receive 900, but due to payment within the specified time, I receive a discount, and actually I give a discount because this is sales. So the bank account will also be debited. I received the payment here 8,100 through check, that is bank account needs to be debited. And now discount allowed. How much discount is allowed? 900 plus 900, 1800 discount is allowed. It is cash discount and it is always on prompt payment. So what you will write here? Discount allowed account debit. Why debit? Discount allowed account debit 1800. Because discount allowed is an expense to business, and look here, all the expense when increases have to be debited. So discount allowed is being debited. Just a recap: sold goods 20,000, trade discount is never recorded in the books, so the effective price became 18,000. Cash discount 10% on payment by cash and bank, where both have been paid promptly, so the balance 9,000 and 9,000, 10% was the discount, so 8,100 is what I received for sales from cash and bank. And discount allowed, which is an expense when increases has always to be debited, so I have debited the discount allowed account, and my total effective sales is 18,000. Now I would also like to continue here what is carried forward and what is brought forward concept. See here, if I have finished my entries, no question will end up with 60 entries. I have made 16 entries so that your concepts get clear. Actually, it will be around, say, 10 entries in a question. So when you finish the page, you have to make a total of the debit and the credit columns. The debit and the credit columns should always match. So when I total the page, at the end what I write is balance carried forward, CF, at the end of the page, whatever is the total here and whatever is the total in the credit column, the debit and the credit columns should match, because in dual effect every entry which is debited with an amount has to be equally credited with an amount. So when you total at the end of the page, it is to be to balance carried forward with so and so amount. Now when you go on to the next page, at the starting of the page, what you write first of all? It is brought forward. Instead of carried forward, here what you write at the starting of the page is brought forward. First you bring forward the balance from the last page and you write it here, and then you start passing your entries. So it is called as to balance carried forward and to balance brought forward. That brought forward is written at the starting of the page.